So brief introduction of today's event that we are holding, that is the cyclone that rally. Community Health Center Valpoi and State Family Welfare Bureau and the Director of Health Services has organized this today's cyclone rally on the occasion of International Year of Millets. 2023 is celebrated as the International Year of Millet all across the globe. So on this, to create on this for this event to create an awareness about millets, we have organized this rally. You would be well aware that millet belong to a class of food drug which provides us calories. So in addition to calories, the importance of this is that it provides fiber. So calorie content, what 100 gram of millet will provide us would be much less than what rice or wheat will provide us. So it is supposed to be a better diet for a diabetic patient or patient who are obese, wherein calorie intake has to be restricted. As you know, we are doing cycling to create awareness to celebrate this event. Cycling has its own advantages. Presently, everybody should be aware that we are in a pandemic of non-communicable disease. And what are these non-communicable diseases? These are the diseases which grow slowly. They are not contagious. They are hypertension, diabetes, ischemic heart diseases, cancer, emphysema, and chronic pulmonary COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases. Okay, cycling has its own advantages. Cycling increases our physical stamina. Cycling increases our muscle mass, joint flexibility, coordination, and keeps all these non-communicable diseases, hypertension, diabetes, stroke at a bay. So on this particular day, I congratulate all the participants for taking part in the cycling rally. Let's make it a huge success. Thank you.